among your many birthrights. One of your rights is your right to the right education. But in this era today, where attaining a quality education is not so easy, you not only have to attain a bachelor's degree, you have to go all the way to university, attain a master's degree, and then the journey not ends over here either. You need to polish your professional skills to attain attributes of leadership. Above all, your proficiency in English language is extremely important. It can open for you a lot of vistas in any context you are applying. A mastery over the language can provide to you multiple opportunities. You have with you your 2 years before university, and here at Meritorious, we are making sure to take learning at the next level. I am Miss Malik, and I am looking forward to welcoming all of you in my English language classes. See you soon.